How to change phone number in Telegram account. So if you want to change phone number in Telegram account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram now, you just need to simply go with the upper right or the left, which has that three bar icon. Wherever you have the three bar icon, tap on it and go with settings. Under settings here, you will have the account option, right? And under account, you will have tap to change phone number. So tap on that and then tap on change number, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then tap on change again. And here you need to enter your new phone number. So simply select the country or region. And once you've selected, you need to enter the mobile number. Once you enter the mobile number, your new number will receive a confirmation code through call or SMS. You can simply enter the code or you can receive the call. Once you've done that, your verification process will be completed and your number will be changed. So that's how you can change your phone number in your Telegram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.